Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to show you AiHouse, the AI video, the Furni Ai. So this is the video. So once you press in here, okay, you come into here image. So you can upload your own image. You can drop in here or you can use some template. Okay. Once you select one template already, okay, you can see what version you want, or you can use some frame from first frame into the last frame. Okay. So you can do, or you can customize. You can type your thing. Okay. See your 5 second or 10 second. Okay. So you will turn into the image into a video. So like this is the starting plain image. So once you complete already, it will look something like this, and then you press play, it will move from a normal image to a video. Okay, then also example for something like this. So this is from a normal image to a video. Okay, you can use a template here, or you can use customize here, and then you just type something. Alright, so that's it for this video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.